In order to fix battery being stuck at 80%, 85, 90 or 95% while charging on iPhone 17e, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to the battery settings in this place, and after that we're gonna go to the charging option. In here we can find the charge limit, which can be set to 80, 85, 90 or 95%, or also all the way to 100%. If you try to set it up to 100%, you might be asked if you want to enable this option only for tomorrow, pretty much, or if you want to set the limit to 100% and have it all the time. So this is how you can fix it. But besides that, there is also this option below over here, optimized battery charging, which is accessible or which is available when we have the charge limit set to 100%. So according to this description, we can see that, or read actually, that iPhone can finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. This might need actually some time to figure out how you charge your phone, how often you charge it, how long you charge it, and when you usually unplug the power adapter. So this might also be the reason why the battery is not fully charged to 100% all the time. So you might want to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.